how are you doing, Mr. Mendelea?
I'm fine, I'm fine. The ride from Russia on a horse, it was really good.
On a horse?
The whole trip was on a horse because the horses in Russia are nothing you can compare to. They are amazing.
Hmm, let's not go over that again. Why did you organize the periodic table this way?
I organized the elements on the periodic table according to mass. The greater the mass, the further down the position on the periodic table will be.
But not all the elements were discovered during your time. How were you still able to organize them?
Through the law of octaves, because the elements of the periodic table, after every 7, the characteristics of the element would repeat. You could then sort them out into families. And through that, I found out which ones were missing. I put a question mark, and then I just kept going, organizing everything into families.
How can you support your representation of the periodic table?
I don't need to support it. You saw those explorers. They find francium, which was just a question mark in my table. And they find the properties, they are almost exact. My table is correct. You can check it yourself.
Makes sense. Thank you for your time. Hello, this is Dr. Conley, who has a PhD. Yes. Today we will be talking about the periodic table. The periodic table has many different categories. One category is the alkali metals. The alkali metals are the most reactive metals. It is to be remembered that hydrogen is not involved in the alkali metals. Alkali metals react when exposed to air and water. As you move down the group, the reactivity increases. Alkali metals include lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. The second group are the alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals are not as reactive as the alkali metals. They also react when exposed to water or air. Group 17 is the halogens. They are in various colors and physical states. Fluorine and chlorine are yellowish-green gases. Bromine is a dark red liquid. Iodine is a purple-black solid with a metallic shine. The halogens are the most reactive nonmetals. They can combine with other elements to form new substances. Group 18 are the noble gases. They're the most stable and unreactive elements. It was long thought that they could not combine with other elements, but they can. Thank you for joining me and Vanja on this tour of the periodic table.